Hi, I'm Selena from Dark Abyss. In a million years of the history of the Earth, do you ever wonder how are we still alive? There are a lot of reasons on we survived along with other animals. But we're going to talk about just one.
Circulation.
So how the circulatory system and the circulation processes that takes place in our body saves us? First, a porifera. Most commonly known as sponges, mostly found in deep waters of the oceans. This creature contains pores, is the term porifera, coined by Robert Grant, that means bearing pores. They have few tissues and no organs, so they don't have real circulatory system, but they do have circulatory process that is happening inside their bodies. Sponges have flagellated cells over the surface of their bodies. These are cells that have tails that wiggles. Instead of mouths, they have tiny pores in their outer walls which water is drawn. Cells in the sponge walls filter food from the water as the water is pumped through the body in the osculum. The flow of water through the sponge is in one direction only. Cnidaria do not have a circulatory system simply because it is not needed. All cells are in contact with the water, which contains oxygen and nutrients. This is different from the porifera phylum because Cnidaria species do not have pores. Instead, the cells take in the oxygen directly from the water in contact with them. The cells undertake a process of diffusion to transport the oxygen. Cnidaria have extensive digestive tracts which are responsible for the transportation of nutrients to the cell. Cnidaria have no organs like hearts or lungs. They have an internal cavity used for respiration and a gastrovascular cavity. They possess a body wall made from two layers, separated by a jelly-like layer called the mesochile. Other important functions like respiration and excretion. Diffusion is the movement of a material from regions of higher concentration to regions of lower concentration until equilibrium is reached. Diffusion is a natural process caused by the random movement of particles, but is only useful to very small organisms where the material in higher concentration does not have far to